Okay, I believe we are live. So Shiba Inu live, welcome in everybody. Big day for the entire market as well as SHIB. SHIB has crossed the crucial mark of the 09 level where we saw quite a bit of resistance there for a long time. I'm going to go ahead and tweet this out to everybody so we know we're live. So they know we're live actually. Your Remco, what's going on, brother? How you doing? First one in, welcome. So let me send out a tweet here, and we're going to get to it. We're going to talk about SHIB. We're going to talk about the entire crypto market, but mostly SHIB, where we see it going. Also, what's going on with Webull? We're getting a bunch of different conflicting reports. Some people able to trade on Webull already. Some people have access to it on their desktop. Others have access on their phone already. Then we're hearing September 6th for Webull. So we're going to dive into it. Also, if you have some information regarding Shiba Inu on Webull, if you yourself are able to trade right now on Webull, perhaps that is why we're seeing a big surge. But I think overall the crypto market is helping SHIB too. And it's following Dogecoin closely. That's another big one here to watch, because lately SHIB and Doge have been following very similar patterns. Welcome everybody. Abdullah, Sadat, Todd, sorry if I mispronounce your name. I think it's Sadat, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Boca, what's going on? Deanna, Frost QT, what's up, man? What's up, everybody? I'm a cat with 6 toes. Glad to be here. Nice to see you online. Yes, glad you're here as well. I'm a money magnet. Nice. Marius Thomas, what's up, man? Zaneric, how we doing? Okay, y'all know the drill. When you come in, if you could, just hit that like button. It takes 0.23 seconds of your time. It's totally free to do. Helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's jump in because we're getting some interesting information here. So this is just following some noise on Twitter here. What's the reason for Shiba Pump right now? The market is up. Webull listed Shiba Inu last Friday. You could buy SHIB on a desktop now, but not on a phone app. Now, I don't know if we can confirm this. I don't know if this is 100% accurate. However, here's another screenshot. Good news, SHIB is tradable on Webull in some places. This tweet was sent out on the 13th of August, so some people are able to purchase SHIB. So I can tell you personally, and good morning everybody, Carl, Unwrenchable, Randomness Girl. Hold and be patient, folks, I like it. Mark, how you doing? We're going to the moon soon. Moon soon, hashtag moon soon, I like that. Isaiah, good morning. Garrett, Cole, Sam, nice. What's happening? Now on my end, I do use Webull. Currently, I've actually liquidated almost all my stocks on Webull into Ethereum and Bitcoin. Well, you know, that sort of thing happens when you're getting ready for this big bull run, you know. But if I take a look at my Webull app and I go over to the markets, ooh, I have more of a crypto buying power. That finally shifted over. I'm actually going to buy some more crypto today. I might buy right here on stream. How about that? Insider group is $9.99. I thought it was $20. Adrian, the group right here on YouTube, the highest group is $10. You're going to get immediate access to the Discord if you go with that. But if you go over to our Patreon page, you can get the supporter level here as well, or you can get the insider level for $20. With the insider level, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts, hot crypto weekly alerts, portfolio guidance and help from me and from many others in our community, obviously the Discord access, and you're going to get group portfolio shared access too. So that's all that good stuff. All right, so I'm looking at my Webull app here, and I show that SHIB is listed as an asset, and then it says beta testing. Okay, so if I could show you that, if you scroll over, these are your trading available cryptos. I don't know if y'all can see this. Okay, there's SHIB. So if I click that, this cryptocurrency is under test, not tradable for the moment. Okay, so that's what I've got right now. Not tradable for the moment. Okay, at least for me, but other people are showing that they're able to trade it. So right now with SHIB, it's listed at the 8-9 level, so we're pushing back closer to the 9 level. Let's jump into the trading view charts. Let's jump into the sticks, and let's see what the heck is going on here. Oh, I don't want to draw that line. What the heck was that? Okay, so here we go, and here we go. Look at that. We're following this path nicely. Let's draw this out a little bit. Here we go. Okay, cool. We'll see if we can continue to follow this. Okay, so these are 1 hour sticks, okay? So let's go in a little bit tighter here, go to 30 minutes. And now we're going to see, look at the green candlestick bouncing off of this consolidation here. Over the past couple hours, we've been consolidating after a slight dip. Once we crossed over the 9.3 level, we've been as high as 9.37 here in the day range. And I'll pull this up. It's rated as a buy right now, 8.9 level as we speak. And real quick, what's up, Nick? Jen, how you doing? Glass, RJB, good morning, good morning. D-Roads, Road to Success. Zach, been pushing out these videos left and right lately. Yeah, man, trying to stay on top of it. I've got a couple more weeks until I start my new job here in Indianapolis. So, Mark, use your computer. Okay, so apparently you can use your computer and actually buy SHIB. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. Sweet. If you have regular Coinbase account, go to Trade Shiba Inu and add it to your watch list. They are using that to prioritize new coin listings. Okay, Benar, thank you. Your Remco, Shiba, and XRP are awesome. I hear you. Okay, so as you can see, popping up a little bit right now. I like to see this, and the action right now on SHIB has just been massive. Look at the amounts of volume. See this down here? I don't know if you could see that. I might have to. Yeah, you can see that. Right here. See these sticks down here at the lower part? That is volume. Look at the volume coming in recently. Look at that. Massive. Okay, awesome stuff. All right, y'all, real quick. I know a lot of you have forgotten. It's okay, but hit that like button for me. It really, really does help out. I think we can get to 50 likes. We got 100 people hanging out with us. We should be able to get half of you to hit the like button. I know it's kind of a nuisance, but it really, really helps. If you love SHIB and you love crypto, you're going to love hitting that like button. I'm doing my best to sell it. Speaking of selling things, I want to sell this just by showing you a little glimpse inside our Discord. All right, so this link, I'll drop this over in the chat if it's interesting to you. 4 more Patreon members, and we are heading to 100. How cool is that? All right, and this is kind of a glimpse. I want to show you a little inside glimpse here of the Discord. So these are our text channels. Look at this. We've got main discussion. We've got all these different channels: SafeMoon, XRP, new altcoins, VeChain, Crowcoin. This is where you can direct message me. I'll get back to you if you want to share your portfolio with me. I'd be happy to help you out. And yeah, come on over and join us. I let everybody know here. Look, I let everybody know right here. Going live here in about 5-10 minutes. Hope you can make it. Okay. And so it's a great place to be. Great place to hang out with a lot of people interested in crypto. And we're going to help each other grow our portfolios together. All right, so SHIB, let's see what's going on here. Back at the 8.8 level, up about 3%. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market here too. Let's take a look at some of the big assets here. Let's refresh this up. How about the new coin market cap? This looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Look at Reddit is now worth $10 billion. That's pretty crazy. Pancake Swap is now on coin market cap. I thought it was already. Sorry for the people who hate the sipping, but I got some, got my peach mango. Not sponsored by Body Armor, but I love the Body Armor Light. Great stuff. All right, so biggest gainers. All right, what's trending right now? Cardano, one of the top 3 trending. Let's take a look at what's trending here. This is kind of cool that they set this up. Here are the top trending tokens. Let's see if SHIB is on this list. These are trending on CoinMarketCap right now. Cardano's up there, Binance Coin, Solana's here, Dogecoin, Bitcoin. SafeMoon is actually up there at number 24. SafeMoon is down 18% right now, a nosedive for SafeMoon. I guess a big whale has just sold off. I read that over in our Discord. Here's SHIB, ranked number 30th on the trending tokens right now, so that's interesting. Here's XRP as well, so good stuff. Chainlink is up there too. Great to see that. Terra Luna, one that we talk about quite a bit. Okay, so that's what's trending right now. Let's go back. Saitama's up 40%. Interesting. What's up, Jen? Yeah, hit it. Smash it. Gently tap it. Do whatever you want to that like button. Run it up, run it up, run it up. All right, so BTC's up a little over, well, 15%. We'll call it 18%, right on the nose. Ethereum is up about 2%. Binance Coin, 5%. Cardano slightly up. XRP, a little bit of a pullback here. Might be a good opportunity to buy the dip here on XRP. I don't think this is even close to being done running. Dogecoin still up 33 cents right now. I called 35 cents by August. I did not think it was going to happen this quickly. I think now we can get to 40 cents here in the next week or so if the market continues to stay green for Dogecoin. And I think an end of the year price, if and when this thing finishes up at 50 to 60 cents here by the end of the year, and we head into 2022 with the Doge 1 rocket getting set to take off, Elon's going to be talking about it even more. The media will already be surrounding these big assets. What are the top 3 assets that the media talks about more so than any other assets? What are they? What do you think? I just dropped my pen. I'm going to grab it. Hold on. In my opinion, the top 3 assets the media talks about more so than any others are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. At least that's what happened in 2020. Those are the 3 assets the media focused on the most. And I still think the same is going to be true. Now, it's yet to be seen. Maybe Cardano enters the fold a little bit. I have seen some more media coverage on Cardano. But I think Dogecoin is going to be talked about, especially if the big names in the crypto space, big investors rather, with Elon and Mark Cubans of the world talking about it. Okay, so I'm still invested in Dogecoin. I don't think Doge is dead, and I like having Doge and SHIB because they're moving together. A lot of people ask me about Polygon. I haven't talked about Polygon a lot lately. Love Polygon, still holding Matic. I got in at 77 cents was my original investment. Look at that, just hit $1.50. 77 cents, and then I added on to my position again at 88 cents. I could have bought the dip when it dipped down to about 60 cents. In that low point, but there were just other things I was prioritizing, like Cardano, like Dogecoin, like Ethereum, right? Those are the big ones. So what's up, Everto? How you doing, man? Chris, Bit, ETH, and Doge. You got it, brother. Exactly. Those are the 3 the media talks about the most, right? So I think you should have them. People do follow what they see on TV. They follow what they read and see in the media. Those are the 3 that are covered the most, right? At least right now. Panic sellers are the worst. I hear you. It's just a consolidation day for most crypto. Yeah, I think so, Tatted. I think so. Sean, what's happening, man? Robbie, dear sir. Bum Moon, Boo Moon. Okay. Michael, too late to get in Solana. Great question. And we're always taking Q&A. I'll try to get to as many as possible. Of course, if you want your answer right away, you can send any kind of super chat, any kind of super sticker, and I will jump right to your question. But Solana, this is a big one, and I want to handle this one because my answer to this, Michael, is I would not buy it right now. And, well, this is tough because I think Solana is going to go much higher than this. I would say this. If you're getting ready to start dollar cost averaging into Solana each and every day or each and every week, sure, go ahead and open a position. If you want to open up a position one time and really try to time the market at a nice spot, I would wait for this to pull back a bit. Because right now it's at $67. It's crushing all-time highs. The all-time highs before this were like $54. So it is absolutely crushing all-time highs right now. And there's going to be some type of pullback. Look at the trading volume. It's up 502%. Here was our all-time highs, about $55 back on May 17th. So crushing that. This is insane gains for Solana right now. So my answer would be, if you're going to start dollar cost averaging, okay, it's okay to start high because you're going to hit it on some low points too. You're going to get it on some pullbacks. But if you're looking to time the market and you've got this lump sum of money that you want to put all into Solana all at once, I would wait a little bit, okay? So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that answers your question. Again, that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. There are many different strategies you can go to with this. Speaking of strategies, I am going to be working on a video that handles exit strategies, because I know a lot of people are asking this question. It's, when do I get out of some of these altcoins during this bull cycle? How do I know when to sell and take my profits before I lose them? So I'm going to create a video about that. There will be a longer course about that as well that Austin Hilton and I, another YouTuber, follow his channel if you don't already. Him and I are going to be working on a course. We're going to be selling that on our respective channels with a link down in the description type of deal. It'll take you to a landing page. We'll have our own website set up. We are working on that. It'll take a little bit of time here to create all the content for that. Once that goes live, I will let everybody know. And that will be a one-time cost. It'll be somewhere between in the neighborhood of $90 to $100, one-time fee, and you have that for life. You can refer back to that. That's going to handle a variety of different crypto trading strategies. Okay. Appreciate the kind words, RJB, regarding the private Discord, man. Appreciate that. A lot of people in our private Discord in the chat. Shout out to all of you in here. Everto, what's happening? RJB. And RJB says, newbies are welcome. You never have to worry about asking dumb questions. You'll never get flamed for asking questions. Exactly. And that's the culture we're building in our private community. So come on over. Ethereum is so hard to margin. I hear you, Paul. SHIB ADA next up. Nice. Shiba needs to shoot high. King seated. I like it. Good morning, my friend. Papa Silver, how we doing, man? Wait, can we sell? Why didn't anybody tell me this? We could sell? Yes, Mark. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can always sell. But buy and hold is the way to really make that money long. That long-term money. Go check out the SHIB competition on Bit4X. There you go. Mother Gaia. Appreciate that. Hard to buy at dips these days. Yeah, Sean. I wish I had more cash flow back on July 20th, right? To dish out some more money. I just knew it was going to be a great opportunity to buy dips, and I was trying to buy as much as I could. I was excited that I got quite a bit of ADA. I got quite a bit of Cardano, and that helps, right? Got quite a bit of Ethereum, that helps. So you can't get them all, right? At least I can't. I don't have millions of dollars to throw at crypto. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. If we continue to grow the channel and some investments go right, maybe one day we can go a little harder on buying those dips. Ashley, when Zach's got a drink while live streaming, you better grab your pen and paper. This is serious. Nice. Is Crow a sleeper? I don't think it's much of a sleeper. We've talked about Crow quite a bit on the channel. A lot of us entered that trade. Shout out to Zay. Zay put us on Crowcoin, where it kind of went over our heads when the UFC came in and they said, hey, we're going to sign a $10 million, 10-year, $175 million deal with Crowcoin. A lot of us jumped on board right then and there. It was about 11 cents when we jumped on board. So I don't really see so much it so much as a sleeper. I love it. I think it has a great long-term future, without a question. Top of the morning, New Antiques, how you doing, man? Alan Humphrey, what's going on? Almost cousin, there he is. What's your thoughts on Crow? I have so far 5,000 Crow. Love it, Yaremko. And there are some staking opportunities there to earn passive income. If you've got the Crow over on crypto.com, you of course can look into all the various options they have over there with their cards too, right? So if I take you over there, let me show you real quick, crypto.com. Let's see here. There you go. So products, I think if you go under products, there's what the app looks like. Okay, you can scroll down here. The only card you need, enjoy 8% back on all your spending. So you could take a look at all these various cards, and if you're unsure which one to get, we've actually been talking about this quite a bit over in our Discord. So come on over and join us. We'd love to help you out with all that. That's the other thing. If you've got questions about staking, you've got questions about ledgers, taking profits, we're handling all of that over in the Discord. Okay, so we've got a channel down here about taking profits, market predictions, staking crypto, right? If you want to start mining crypto mining, we've got a channel for that too. So come on over and join us. I'm going to link this. Oh, I actually already did. Okay, it's already linked in the top chat. There you go. Okay. Thoughts on grapefruit token, Abdullah? What's up, man? I don't have grapefruit token. I just didn't want to chase it. I didn't feel like it was something I wanted to chase right now. But that's kind of how I feel about it. Let's go back to the charts here. 896 level, guys. Here we go. Let's do this thing. Let's get back up there. How about 15-minute sticks here? Let's see here. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Here we go. Nice action here. Let's get back up to that 9 level. We're right there, y'all. It's pumping right now. Come on, push up above there. Get back to the 09 level. Come on, let me see it. Let me see it. 898. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. 899. Yes. Yes. Hit the like button, and that'll help us get to the 09 level right now. If you hit the like button, we're gonna cross above it. Oh. 0898, 0899. There it is. Come on. Come on. I can't take my eyes off this now. It's a pesky resistance level, though. We're seeing it right here. We're seeing it in real time. Look at the resistance. It just doesn't want to pop over that right now. It's right on the heels. He's talking it up. Literally. Literally talking it up. Unwrenchable. Grapefruit down 90%. Wow. Best way is to hodl, Tatted Grizzly. I plan on holding my cryptos for 3 to 5 years, if not longer. If you believe in the coin long term. That's it, Tatted. Say it all the time on the channel, man. That's me with Ethereum. That's me with Bitcoin. Bitcoin and Ethereum probably longer than that, probably forever. And here's the thing: that doesn't mean I won't take some profits along the way, just some initial investments out, right, to secure that wealth, right? But I'll be invested in these for a long time. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, probably forever. Cardano definitely for the next 3 to 5 years. Definitely for the next 3 to 5 years. All right, y'all, keep hitting that like button because we're getting closer to that 09 level. We need a couple more likes to push us up here. We gotta beat the bears here. The bulls have to enter the equation here. Let's go to the 5-minute sticks. Oh, okay. Coming back down a little bit. All right, all right. We're racing to 0 by the end of the weekend. Anthony, I hope so, man. That'd be great. Nick C., welcome to the club, man. I just got your message that you have joined the Patreon. I will send you all the links here over real quick. First thing I'll do for you, Nick, is get you into the Discord, and then I'll be sending you links later, too, after I get off the live stream here. So let me, you should have access to this right away, but in case you can't find it, Nick C., I am sending you a Discord link right now, my friend. There you go. And just said welcome to you. Welcome in, Nick C. So everybody who joined today, welcome. Nick C., Patty, and Amos. And then yesterday, Denver and Mitch, welcome to the private community. I don't know if all you folks are here right now, but welcome in. Shiba is up, baby, up 2,500. Nice. Nice, Michael. I'm guessing that's your cash you're up right now in the green. I like it. Yeah, I know Ryoshi's kind of taking off right now, Ellis. I hear you. I'm not on it, but hey, more power to you and anybody else who is. Love it. Graphics, I love it, man. Love that energy. Any reviews on Ryoshi Vision? I like it. I'm starting to like it a little bit more. I still think it's highly speculative. I would still be careful, but from what I understand, that you can earn, you essentially, do you earn SHIB from getting Ryoshi, or do you earn Ryoshi from staking SHIB? I think it's staking SHIB, right? So, hey, if it's like that, then that's cool. Oh, here we go, guys. Nice little V-shaped recovery forming. We're on the 5-minute sticks here. 898. Come on. Push up above there. Push up above. Best crypto profile for 10K investment. Well, it depends what your risk tolerance is, Abdullah. But if I had 10K to spend today, I'd for sure start with 2 Ethereum. 2 full Ethereum. Then I would probably sprinkle in some Cardano and Bitcoin, maybe $1,000 each. Then you've got another 2,000 to play with, right? Give or take another 2,000 then to kind of play with some different altcoins. That's what I would do. But again, I'm not very high risk. Okay. Here we go, guys. We're right at this resistance level again. Look at this, 899. Look at this. Right on it again. Can we push it? Can we push it? Push it. Come on. Break through that. Infinite Money, thank you for the super chat. Push through this. Come on. Look at that resistance. Wow, that's tough. Abdullah, you're a risky person? Then I would go, I'd still go one full ETH with 10K. I'd still go one full ETH. Then I'd go heavier on Cardano then. And then I'd go pretty heavy on XRP if you got a little bit more risk. Heavier on XRP and Cardano. Even if you have more risk, it still doesn't mean you chase like, you know, all of the meme coins of the world. It doesn't mean you chase, ooh, there it is. We broke it. Over the 9 level. Nice. Nice. Here we go. Here we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're back up and moving. Here we go. Love it. Okay. Yeah, so, you know, even if you're more risky, it doesn't mean you have to, like, jump into, you know, all of these super, super risky assets. You could still just jump into the, you know, the XRPs, the Cardanos, the, let me see here, Polygon. You know, I would load up more on Polygon, XRP, and Cardano if you wanted to be more risky. Instead of getting 2 ETH, do 1 ETH, take the difference and put that into XRP. Even Dogecoin. Shoot. I like Doge. And Polygon. There you go. Let's go, SHIB. Thoughts on XLM? That's another solid one. Stellar, I like it. I just covered it the other day with an update on XRP and XLM. Stellar gets overlooked. I made a nice little swing trade earlier in the year on Stellar. Doubled up my money and basically took all of that to open up a position in Polygon at 77 cents. So I was pretty happy with that. Okay, interestingly enough here, Dogecoin is not pumping yet, but somebody mentioned this. You know, these charts are very similar. This is interesting. This is one time here where SHIB is outpacing Doge here. Usually these things have been following very close patterns. This is interesting. So Doge selling off a bit, SHIB pumping up. Okay, here's SHIB again. There you go. All right, so slowly making a nice V-shaped recovery up over 5.5%, give or take. We're breaking through that 09 level again. Here we go. Love it. Love to see it. These are 5-minute candlesticks, by the way. Okay, so for everybody just checking in, let me know if you're new here to the channel. Hopefully you've already hit the subscribe button. We're closing in on, I think, what, 14,600 followers. It is amazing to me that we're going to hit 15,000 followers, subscribers. I always say followers. 15,000 subscribers this year already. I mean, I just started this journey literally 3 months ago. Mid-May is when I started talking about crypto. I've been on YouTube since like January. I struggled through January and February and March and April trying to find things to talk about that I was passionate about. I'm passionate about crypto. I tried that. It's taken off. And I say this not to brag. I say this because you can do this too. If you want help with a YouTube channel, let me know with that because I'm thinking about offering, you know, some guidance there and maybe even creating some content related to that eventually down the line. Right now I'm solely focused on this channel, but I say that to help you get started because all of you could be doing this. If you have something you're passionate about and you have important things to say, you could do this too, okay? I'm not that smart. I'm just, I was willing to hit record and I got lucky, okay? But I also am a firm believer that hard work breeds luckiness, if you will. So, yeah, just wanted to say thank you. I'm very grateful for all of you, and we're just getting started here on this channel. If you're not yet subscribed, hopefully you will be. You're always going to get me being straight, right? You're going to get the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm going to keep it real with you all the time. That's what you're going to get. So hopefully you enjoy that. If you do, also give the video a thumbs up right now if you forgot to do that. Subscribe, do all that good stuff. I just wanted to talk at you for a minute. There you go. You're one of the, oh, appreciate that, Stefan. Thank you, man. Price prediction on Polygon in a couple years. I think Polygon is headed toward $5 this year, okay? A couple years, I think we're heading probably toward $10. I could see a $10 Polygon by 2023. That would be a 10x essentially from here. I mean, when we look at ETH, we're looking at a $30,000 ETH in 2023, right? Based on our Squish Chaos report, they give it a 30 to 50K base case for 2023, early January. That's basically a 10x from here. I think Matic will 10x with ETH. So I think, you know, we could be seeing a $10 to $15 Matic by 2023. Good question, Tatted. Doge maybe paced out because it was about 36 cents. People may be scared. Doge is done. I don't think Doge is done, Tori, at all. I don't think it's done at all. And I think it can run really quickly, if and when a couple things happen. It could skyrocket quickly. King Teak woke up to a bag. Isn't that nice? That's a good feeling, isn't it? Always a good feeling, man. Definitely. Good afternoon, Christine. How you doing? Giovanni Lewis, I'm surprised that not you or Austin are talking about Rari. Oh, Rarible? Oh, dude, I love Rarible. Bought it at $7. Is it killing it right now? Dude, I love it. It's a place where you can get NFT assets. I know all about Rari. I just I haven't invested in it. So, wow, Rari's up to $28. Wow, that's awesome, man. Congratulations. That's a great get. Here's the thing, guys. There are so many winners in the crypto space. Like, you can't really, like, come at somebody and be like, hey, like, I can't believe you missed that. Like, and I'm not saying you are, man. I'm just saying, like, when there's 11,269 cryptos, you can't essentially have them all. I mean, some people can. If you're Johnny Crypto, you can have them all. But there's multiple ways to win in this space is basically what I'm saying. So I know about Rarible. I love it. I think it's a great asset. I think it's a great platform. Super easy to use. I love it. And congratulations, dude. That's awesome. I see that it's up 20% today. You're crushing it. Keep killing it, man. Love it. Nick C, how does this work? You just joined the Patreon. Yeah, man, I just sent you the Discord link, Nick C. And welcome in, man. I will send you some other links here and welcome you in as well. And basically, Nick C, the Patreon is used for me to communicate with all my insiders. So that is how you'll get messages from me when it comes to hot crypto alerts, buy and sell trade alerts, portfolio guidance, and help. That sort of stuff right here. Group portfolio shared access will be a link that I send to you. It's a Google Sheets. In the portfolio guidance and help, you can message me either here on Patreon or on Discord. And then the Discord is just a place where we've got a plethora of knowledge happening all the time, right? That's this right here that I showed you, where you're just part of a community that's talking about crypto all the time. You can ask questions. People are always in here day and night talking cryptocurrency. People are talking about assets that have yet to pop, that will pop soon. So all of that is there for you, man. So let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to kind of help you through that process. Let's eat 1-0. I agree. Let's eat a 0. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry this afternoon. I'm ready to eat. Let's see here. Let's go back to SHIB because that was getting interesting. Oh yeah, it's getting interesting over here. It's getting interesting, ladies and gents. It is getting interesting in the crypto space. These are 30-minute sticks, so the past hour looking super bullish. Actually, let's bring it into the hour just to kind of see what that candlestick looks like. I like it. I like it a lot. Look at that. Coming right back up. Are we going to push past these highs that we hit earlier? We are coming right up on them. All right, let's come back to the 15 minutes. I like it. Look at that. Looking great. And let's see what people are talking about. I'm going to give you a little glimpse in here. So here's the AMP channel. What are people talking about in here? See people post YouTube videos, different articles in here, some hilarious GIFs. Right, this is the kind of atmosphere you're going to be joining if you belong to our Discord. What's up, Jake? How you doing, man? Everto, surprising since the whole market is going down right now. Let's go, SHIB. Yeah, it's running by itself. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. So this is what we were talking about, too, at the top of the hour here a little while ago. So Shiba Inu could be pumping right now by itself, maybe due to Webull. Some people are actually able to purchase Webull. So this shows right here on this person's phone, right here. Look at here. They were able to fill this. So some people are able to do it. Other people say the desktop version is open. So this could be helping SHIB pump right now because the entire crypto market is not pumping that hard, okay? However, Ethereum is starting to rip here a little bit. Never mind, it came back a little bit. Okay, so here you go. You can see the overall market is up 2.32%. We're right at $2 trillion market cap, but some of these altcoins running way higher, including Solana and Chainlink and Polkadot. But as we know, this is common, right? When the markets start to rip, you're going to see altcoins really rip, okay? And that's why I just did this video on altcoin season right here. So check this one out. It's on the channel. Posted this after the Shiba Inu update this morning. Let me refresh that. And hey, what's up, Mr. Junior? Stefan, any thoughts on Pi Network? I like it. Yeah, you can earn crypto. That's kind of cool, right? That is kind of cool. Okay, there we go. So you can see that altcoin season video right there if you want to check that out. Talking mostly about Solana XRP and Cardano XRP and Solana. So here's SHIB though. Look at that. That's one of the big gainers right now. And we are pushing up right now as we speak. Look at that. Great action here. Okay, we're watching the 15-minute sticks. Thank you for the kind words, Tad. I appreciate that, man. AMP is a sleeping giant. I like AMP, especially if Walmart or Amazon goes with it, right? Did y'all see that? Amazon and Walmart getting into crypto. Here, let me show you that real quick. Let me go back to my profile. You bet, Nick. Morning, Hannah. How you doing? Paul Winder, hello. Everto, my man, what's happening? Christian, when Bitcoin going to hit 100K? Where's SHIB going to be? Man, I think Bitcoin might hit 100K this cycle. I think it's still possible. Definitely this cycle, probably this year. Warhorse Gaming, can we watch the 1-minute sticks on SHIB? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, brother. Let's put it on. 1-minute sticks, there you go. 1-minute candlesticks on SHIB, y'all. Y'all know that song, Go Pump It Up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. 2008 song. That's like the crypto theme song. I wish I could play it for real, but just Google Go Pump It Up, and it's like 2008. It's like they're all at a pool and stuff. Listen to that song if you want to get fired up when crypto's popping. It's hilarious. Kenneth, hey mate, shout out from the Philippines. Nice craft. Appreciate you, man. Okay, what was I going to show y'all? What was I going to show y'all? Oh, this right here. Check it, check it. Amazon and Walmart, two biggest retailers in the world, are hiring for leading crypto-related positions. Huge, huge stuff. There it is right here. Here's the actual position summary. Look at this. Walmart, are you passionate about digital currencies and driven by opportunities to scale new products and businesses? Look at this. Very similar job posting here. Very similar job posting. This and Amazon. Very interesting stuff. Sorry, I'm messaging Austin Hilton good friend of mine. He's also a YouTube content creator. I know many of you know him. Okay, I know you're bullish on Shiba. What do you think of Bone on Shiba Swap? Jorge, I like the whole ecosystem. I love that Shibarium is coming. I know somebody just asked about that. But I always want to stress this. I love that the ecosystem is here and there are other assets. I love that. But I always want to stress this. Shiba Inu, to me, is still the most important asset in the ecosystem, and it should be treated as such. Okay? If we take our eye off the prize, if we take our eye off of the big picture with SHIB, I think we kind of lose sight of why we're here in the first place. Why we're here is Shiba Inu drew a community. Shiba Inu has started something that I want to continue. And I don't want to lose sight of that by focusing on these other parts of the ecosystem too much and losing sight of SHIB. Because SHIB is the top 40 asset. SHIB is the one that was a top 20 asset. SHIB is the one that's highly researched. SHIB is the one that's highly talked about. SHIB has the holders. All right, I can go on and on here, but that's why, you know, I just want to stress that all the time here and just say that, you know, while I know and understand that a lot of people are earning passive income with Bone and ETH pairings, which I think is great, that's fantastic. I'm not hating on you. Just don't lose sight of why we're here. Shiba Inu. That asset is why we're here. That asset is why this community has been built, and that asset will continue to grow the entire ecosystem, in my opinion, more so than anything else. Okay? All right, let's bounce back over to the sticks. This is that Walmart listing there. Okay, here we go. Now back into a consolidation phase here at the 9-1 level here. Okay, a little bit of a sell-off. Ooh, big sell-off here. These are 1-minute sticks here, so these are going to be pretty dramatic. But this is awesome, awesome stuff. SHIB is moving. Go look. Oh, yeah, I'm here, Mark. I am with you, brother. So I get you don't know what potential have leash. Just Nooser. Listen, man. To me, leash is way more speculative, just given that it's not even ranked anywhere near the top 100. It doesn't have the amount of holders. I understand that it's an important part of the ecosystem. I'd rather have SHIB. And again, that's a personal decision. You don't have to listen to me. You can, you know, take what I say. You can, you know, use it a little bit, you know, or whatever. But that's just my thoughts, okay? Again, I keep it real with you. I'm going to tell you how I feel, okay? Michael, what do you think about Alchemy Pay? I like it. Alchemy Pay is already available in 65 different countries, and they check all the boxes when it comes to crypto payments. They are in the same space as AMP in the collateral area. I like them. I do think it could be one that you should hold on to for a while. I think it's very early on for something like this, but down the line, there are going to be some big winners in the space, and AMP and Alchemy Pay are two good ones to keep an eye on. I don't know enough about Raven Coin to talk about it. I know a lot of people ask about it, so that tells me I've got some homework to do, but I don't know enough about Raven Coin to really speak on it, Sarg, so I won't get there. I won't go there. Ellis, what did Ellis say? SHIB doesn't even have half its ecosystem built and in play yet. Yes, Ellis, good point. It's very early still. Be patient. Patience is a virtue, my friends. Patience is a virtue. The patient investor, fill in the blank. The patient investor, let's see how good people listen on the channel. I always say this. The patient investor, blank, blank. There's two words. Who's going to put it in chat first? The patient investor, blank, blank. SHIB is pumping. Yes. We're watching it. The patient investor, where is it? Stefan got it. Always wins. There it is. Any thoughts on VeChain? Cashnate, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Isaiah says, gets Lambo. Yes, Trina, you're right, and I'll say that again. Not financial advice, just for entertainment and informational purposes only, or infotainment, whatever you like there. Infotainment, entertainment. This is just my thoughts. Hopefully you get some entertaining value out of it. Then take this for what it is and do your own due diligence on other assets that you like. Listen to other things, watch other things. I'm here to just bring you my opinions based on the research I've done, people I've talked to, things I've heard and saw, and I'm so grateful that so many people like my analysis. And I'm happy to have a voice in the space, but I don't want this to be the only voice you listen to. You need to do your own homework, listen to others. I take in a bunch of different information before I make a decision, okay? And I think that's important, so appreciate that. Intermation, there's another one. Intermation, I like that, I like that, I like that. Infotainment, there you go, infotainment. This is for infotainment purposes only, okay? It's a controlled pump. Notice all coins majority aren't going higher than 50%. Yes. Could be right there, Frank. I think you're onto something. Zach, what's up, brother? What's up, Jeremy? What's up, brother? Kritika, hello. Any news? Yeah, Kritika, we're just basically covering Webull is something big that we're kind of waiting for. We're hearing September 6th for a full launch. We don't know if we can confirm that yet. Haven't got any final word on that. Some people are able to trade now on Webull. Could be helping the pump a little bit. Infinite, appreciate the second super chat, man. Appreciate that. And I will get to your question right now because you sent that super chat. What are your thoughts on Saitama Inu, L-Bank and Hotbit listing, Saitama Mask and video game? Okay, so here are my thoughts on Saitama Inu. I'm starting to put it in that class of, currencies that I'm interested in the community space, but not yet invested in. Right, so for me, that area is Saitama, Baby Doge, and SafeMoon. They're intriguing, they're interesting, but I'm not yet ready to pull the trigger and invest in them yet. Okay, so that's kind of where Saitama Inu is. I think we just need to see more time here. We need to see more growth. We need to see more ups and downs and building out of the ecosystem. But it's an interesting project. I'm not yet invested in, but it's definitely one that I'm looking at and watching. And there you go. So appreciate the super chat. Thank you. Hi, Zach. Just subscribed to your awesome channel. I think you're one of the most honest YouTubers out there. Appreciate that, man. Thank you. Welcome in. Thoughts on the VThor token? I saw it did really well yesterday and the day before, man. It's been crushing it. So I know it's doing really well. I like VET, a lot. And VThor, love the ecosystem they're building. VeChain is already working with Walmart in China. Now Walmart in the United States is looking for a crypto expert. Do they go with VeChain or do they go with something else? I don't know. It'll be interesting to watch here. But I love VeChain. Been invested in it for a little while. I'm in there quite early on VET, and it's one of my nice positions. I opened up a small position at 3 cents and then a pretty large position at 5 cents at 6 cents. So I'm enjoying that right now, and I'm going to let it ride. So love that one. Good morning, Patty B. What's up, Patty B? You're a new private community member. Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Zach, my guy. What's up, Johnny Lee? What's happening, man? Yeah, SHIB is pumping right now. Let's go back to the charts. All right, so selling back off here a little bit. Still over the 913 level. Okay, so here's where we saw us top out earlier at the 937, right at the top here. We didn't quite get to the 937 here. We got to the 926 level here, and now we're selling back off. So we'll see if this is a full sell-off, or if we're going to consolidate back in here. Oop, I don't think so. Now we're bouncing back up here. These are 1-minute sticks, by the way. So if we take this out a little bit to 15 minutes, there we see it's still going up in the 15-minute sticks, okay? Okay, real quick, TV timeout, commercial timeout. If you forgot to hit the like button, that's okay. You still have time to do it. We need 4 more likes to hit 200. That's an important milestone. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm, pushes this out to more people in the SHIB army, pushes it out to more people in the entire crypto space. So if you could, go ahead and smash the like button. It's totally free to do it. And look, it's SHIB pumping. Let's go. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, we got another super chat. Let me go right to it. Thank you, Zach. Go SHIB. Hannah Brown, thank you so much for the super chat. You're always here on the live stream, always sending super chats too. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Very grateful for you. And hopefully you're always getting value here on the channel. Appreciate it. Was it listed? We don't know exactly. Okay, so according to my app, I still can't buy it. Okay. Now people are saying go to the desktop version, and you can. I don't know that to be true yet. I haven't done it. Haven't tried it yet. But according to my app right here, and I'll show you this. As you can see down at the bottom, this cryptocurrency is under test, not tradable for the moment. Okay. But it is listed on there as trading available cryptos. So they've got Bitcoin up there, they've got Dogecoin, they've got Cardano, they've got Ethereum, they've got Litecoin, they've got Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic. They just added Dash. They've got XLM on there, and Zcash and Shiba Inu. So pretty awesome stuff. That I love that Webull is getting more involved in cryptocurrency. I love it. Love seeing that from Webull, and it's exciting. It's exciting because I love Webull as a platform. So it's saying for you to update the app. Okay, Unwrenchable, update that app and let us know, man. Let us know what happens. It's listed and supported, but can only be used by a few beta test users. Okay, so it's similar to YouTube Shorts. For a long time there, when YouTube Shorts came out, it was only able to you're only able to use them, sparingly. Only certain people were able to do those YouTube Shorts. So I guess it's similar to that, right? Okay, so there you go. Let's see here. Oh, if y'all want to follow me over on TikTok, I do have a TikTok too, where I've been posting quite a bit of stuff here. So here, let me put that in here. It is. There you go. I just put it in there. ZJ Hump on the talk. So come follow me over there. I've been trying to do some more things over there with crypto stuff too, and I think you'll like that too if you're over on that platform. And I'm also on Twitter too. It's at Z_Humphries on Twitter. There you go. Boca, is that a no for the talk? SHIB is hungry hound. I hear you, Ellis. Desktop buy for SHIB is still not live in SoCal. Okay. I don't like using the desktop version of these. I just like using the app version. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird about the security of it, but it's listed and supported, but can only be used by few beta testers. Okay. They're doing some region rollout. Not sure through, though I'm speculating. Okay. Various region rollouts. That would make sense. That would make sense. Man, this is awesome to see, though. SHIB is literally just continuing to move higher here in the 15-minute sticks. So the last 15-minute candlesticks, the last 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's just working right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last 6 15-minute sticks have been upwards here for SHIB. If we go back here, we won't count these small 2 ones right here, but if we count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we only saw 5 presses forward in this latest big pump. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 working right here. This is awesome, awesome stuff. We're getting closer and closer to that 937 level again. I'm thinking to entry, buy more SHIB. Do you think it's a good time to buy more now, or should I wait for a price drop? I would wait a little bit, Sam, because you're probably going to get some type of dip back down to the low 8s at some point, I would think. But it also depends on where you are currently at with your investment. However, if you want portfolio help, come on over and join the Patreon. Like that plug? We'd love to have you. Okay, back to the overall market here real quick. Let's just see what's happening here, what's cooking. Thank you all so much for the likes and new subscribers. Appreciate you out there. Y'all are great. Y'all are far too kind, far too kind. Cardano's up a little bit. Okay, Binance Coin making some nice moves here. Ethereum closing up a nice little push here. Polkadot, look at Solana just crushing it. Up to $68 now. Man. Polygon still on a nice run. Terra Luna too, guys. VeChain on a nice little run too, up over 13 cents. Things are looking great. Theta closing in on $8. Okay. All right, let's go back to the charts here because I don't want to miss this. We're watching 15-minute sticks here. Still all green. We haven't had a red one here in a little while. Let's continue to watch this. Coinbase going to be late to the party. Hey, six pack. I mean, I don't know what's going on. It'll be 2 months. Actually, no, it's 2 months today. Today's the 16th, right? Yeah. It's 2 months today since Coinbase said there were technical issues. So it's been 60 days. We'll continue to wait it out because I do think something's coming. It is listed on Coinbase custody, right? Coinbase Institutional. So that's a good thing. Now the big question is, when will it get listed to Coinbase Pro and then Coinbase? That's the big one we're waiting for. I think if this thing gets listed on Coinbase custody, Webull, and Robinhood, we're certainly heading back to all-time highs. I don't know if we'll stay there, but I think we're heading back to all-time highs. Okay? I think. I mean, that's my gut telling me that it'll push the price back up to all-time highs, along with just the overall market ripping the way it is. Okay. Let's see. What else do we got? First time here. Enjoy your videos, bud. Thanks, Anthony. Appreciate it, man. Boca, I hear you, man. I was right in your shoes, man, about the talk. I was right there with you, man. I was like, that's so stupid. But hey, man, when you start building an audience, why not use it? People are there talking about crypto. So basically, I'm using talk to leverage the audience there to drive them back over to YouTube. This is my #1 medium. I want people here. I love YouTube. This is my space. But if I can leverage another audience on another area to bring them back to my main channel, why not, right? So I look at it from just a business perspective. I'm not in love with the app by any means, but I'll use it to help drive my traffic. I appreciate you though, brother. Boca's a true OG, one of our private community members. Appreciate you, very grateful for you, man. I enjoy waking it up, seeing a message from you, good morning, and seriously, I mean, that's the type of atmosphere we have where we're waking up, grabbing our coffee, good morning, let's have a good day, that type of thing. And of course, all things crypto all the time over there. So that's it, man. Jackie Chan, appreciate that, man. Altcoin, that'd be nice. Will we cross out another 0 today? D, I don't know. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. I think we're getting close to it. We are certainly getting close to that. Yeah, the big burn you heard about, it's going to be a slow burn, really. It's not going to be a big burn all at once, but they are putting in some plans for a burn of leash and SHIB. And I think there will be some new developments on that as we, go, as we get further and further down the line. So that's one thing, I'm not so concerned about a burn right now. Those sort of things can work themselves out later. Ideally, obviously, it would have been great to have that built into the tokenomics early on, but there are different avenues you could pursue for that at a later date. I think the big thing right now is number of holders. I love that they put out a plan, right, to get 1 million holders by the end of the year. I love that. That's a very tangible goal. You can see it, you can feel it, and I think we're helping SHIB get there today by talking about it. And if you want to help me reach some more people in the SHIB community, get some more of investors, hit the like button. We're only 18 away from 300, so we can do that together, and that can help get some more holders. Speaking of holders, let's go check out number of holders, actually. I want to check out the Ether scan because I have a feeling we're getting a lot more holders here today. All right, so let's check out the Ether scan here. Let's see. Let's see. 632,000. Oh yeah, love it. 632,082 holders. Nice. Real nice, Clark. Real nice. Zoo token, anyone? Haven't heard of it, Mike T. Don't know anything about it. Nice, infinite money. There you go. A lot of people saying first time here. Welcome in. Welcome in. Listening live while playing golf in Ireland. Nice, Barry. That's awesome, man. Hopefully you're hitting the ball well. I played golf this past weekend. Man, last weekend, not this past weekend, but 2 weekends ago, played at the Indianapolis 500 course, Brickyard. Unbelievable track. If there are any golfers out there and you're in town in Indianapolis, first off, hit me up. Maybe we could play together. But second off, it's a great golf course, a lot of fun. And they were actually racing that day. The BMW team was out there letting people test drive. It was super cool watching the cars race around the track while you're playing golf. It was pretty awesome. So, and then I played in an outing this past weekend too. A small country club out in Illinois, actually. So that was a lot of fun. Nice, Trina. Next month, SHIB at 70 cents. Well, that would be a big run-up. That would be a big push. Watching live in Wales. Nice, Patrick. Look at this. Guys, I can't get off the live stream until we get a red candlestick. Basically, I wanted to come on for an hour, but we're over an hour. That's okay. I am not going to go off the air until we get a red candlestick. At least. At least one, okay? Watching live from Montreal, nice. Watching live from Wales. Let me know where you're watching live from, actually. Go ahead. Light it up in the chat where you're watching live from, and always like to hear from you. We're watching this live chart right now. This is entertaining enough, just watching this live chart. All right, let's go in a little bit tighter here. Let's go 5 minutes. 24-hour live. Okay, so if we go into the 5 minutes, we're getting some consolidation here. Right at the 9-1 level, we're getting some consolidation. Unwrenchable, a 24-hour live would be absolutely insane. Dayton, Ohio, Italy, Puerto Rico, California, Houston. Nice. South Carolina, Orlando, Florida. Awesome. Live from the Philippines. That's awesome. Thailand and Texas and Orlando, Miami. Love from India, Kentucky, Illinois. Awesome, 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 awesome. Southern Utah, great stuff, great stuff. Missouri, Canada, Newbie, awesome. New Jersey. All right, so a little bit of consolidation here. Now, the 15-minute still shows a green candlestick, though. But it's fighting. The bulls and bears are fighting here in this next 15 minutes. Lithuania, awesome. The Netherlands, San Jose, Cali, Michigan, Chicago, Orlando, North Dakota, awesome. Out in Wichita, very cool. All right, so if we're on the 30-minute, we don't have a red candlestick yet. So if we're on the 30-minute sticks, we do not have a red candlestick. So we'll use this one. We'll use this one as our marker for right now. How about that? North Dakota, very cool. Oh, now we got a red candlestick. What the heck's going on here? This will be the 12:30 to 1 p.m. block. It should be right here. So we've got to fight this in the next 2 minutes, y'all. We got to fight this to make it green. Live from Mars. Nice, Alex. I like it. I like the humor, my friend. Freeman Francis from Africa, from Uruguay, from LA, from India, from Norway. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, y'all. Hit the like button if you haven't already. We're up over 300 likes. That's amazing. Appreciate y'all. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Shorters are selling. Yes. Hopefully you've subscribed if you're new here. Hopefully you're getting some good value. And this has been an awesome, awesome way to start the week. That is for sure. Awesome way to start the week. From Kenya, nice. Fashion wear, very cool. All right, a little bit of a consolidation period here, but still finishing up over the 09 level here. Loving this. Oh, there we go. There's green. There's the green candlestick here to close out the... Uh-oh. We're getting a push? Are we getting a push? Yes. Are we getting a push? Come on, come on. Fort Wayne, Indiana, nice. We're going up. A little bit of a sell-off there. That's okay. 5-minute sticks here. Let's see. Okay, 5-minute sticks showing we're heading down just a little bit here. Okay, a little bit of a downward trend here. What about Ryoshi? Yeah, I've heard about it. It's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool stuff. Ooh, big red candlestick now. These are the 1-minute sticks. Still in the 9s here. That's good to see. Any news on Webull? Here's what we've got on Webull. So some people are able to purchase it on their app. Look at this. This person has it. Market value. There it is. Total cost. There it is right on the app. Okay, there you go. So some people are able to purchase it right there. Other people are saying they can get it on their desktop. So I guess they're just going through beta testing. That's what I've got on my phone right now is just beta testing. So if I go to my Webull app, I can see that on Webull, it is listed as a crypto asset that you could trade on Webull. However, it just shows that that it's under beta testing right now. So I can't personally purchase it, but other people in some other regions can. Okay. So there you go. Any news on Coinbase Pro, Tony Birch? Nothing yet on Coinbase Pro, man. Nothing yet on Coinbase Pro. We haven't heard anything yet, but hopefully we get some news soon. It's been 2 months to the day since technical issues came up, and they had to delay the launch of SHIB. My beta testing is not working on the phone for Webull. Nicole, so can you see it as a tradable asset on Webull for you? For me, it's a tradable asset on Webull. So what I mean by that is cryptos. If you scroll across your trading available cryptos, SHIB is the last one listed for me. There it is. That's SHIB. And it just says this cryptocurrency is under test, not tradable at the moment. So that's what I've got at least right now. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm going to make a quick run real quick to the restroom and grab something to drink and a quick snack, and I'll be right back, okay? BRB. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, guys. I had to get some lunch, so I'm going to eat a little bit of something here while we're hanging out. I've got chicken and rice. This is my go-to. Very boring, but very healthy. I do try to go to the gym and stay fit. So I've noticed that if I can simplify my diet, I can maintain my weight better. So I buy the same things at grocery stores. I try to stay really consistent with that. So if any of you care about that. Yeah. I don't know if that's going to become really annoying if you can hear me like, actually, not jasmine rice, Boca. I'm going to give you all a pro tip. Basmati rice. Always basmati rice. Always basmati. You know what I'll do? Well, if I take my headphones out, that's okay. Can y'all hear me like chewing? Is that like super annoying or is that okay? I did put a little mozzarella cheese in there, so that kind of helps out a little bit, but not too much. Did I even tweet out that I was live? I did, okay. Change it to the date or day chart. Yeah, I can do that real quick. There you go. There's a 1-day chart. So 1-day chart is here. I'm going to get rid of these lines for a little while. So this is the 1-day chart on SHIB. Man, it's been a really nice day. Look at that. Look at that green candlestick forming. Charles, IO. I'm from Youngstown, Ohio, man. Columbus, Ohio. Go Bucks. Forming a nice cup and handle right here. This could get really bullish for SHIB in the next couple weeks or so. I was watching FX Street. I talked about it in my update earlier this morning. They do some great work with their technical analysis. You know, that's not my strong suit by any means, and I'll be the first one to tell you that. But I've learned a lot from FX Street. Oh, William, Michigan guy, huh? Up there in Ann Arbor, man. I have been to the Big House for a game way back in the day when Minnesota had Marion Barber and Lawrence Maroney. I think it was Lawrence Maroney. The dual running backs, man, they were really good. Michigan was really good too. There's a kid from Youngstown who used to go to Michigan, Mario Manningham. There's a blast from the past, wide receiver. Actually played in the Super Bowl for the Giants too. Watched him play in high school at Youngstown, man. He was awesome. I hear you, man. Skylark, I hear you, man. Hey, I'm multifaceted, man. I like sports. I like crypto. I hear you, bro. We do want Coinbase. I hear you. I hear you. So some people asking about the cup and handle pattern. Here you go. So here's the cup, the handle, and the breakout. There's a good chart of it. There you go. Don't eat much jerk food. What do you mean jerk food? Like spicy food? I love jerk food. If you're talking about spicy, I love it. Here's the 1 day chart again. Tatted Grizzly. It's a good question, actually. That's something we can play around with while I'm eating here. Basically, if you put $100 and you waited till it hit a cent, put $100 in today. So there you go. Amount in SHIB. Wait, how do I reverse that? Select your currency. USD. 0.01. How much SHIB until we get... I want to spend a... Okay, so... There you go. If you spend $100 today, USD, right? And you waited until it got to 1 cent. Wait, what am I missing here? What's up, Gary? So, put $100 USD, that gives you 10,000 SHIB. And you wanted to exit at 0.01, that's what the market cap would have to be. What are the gains? What am I missing here? Did they switch up this website on me? Okay. I'm not sure. I'd have to look at this again. I don't know. That used to be a better representation, I think. $100 is 11 million. About 10 mil, William says. Okay, there you go. Or 110K, now Charlie says. I'm giving you all a glimpse into the private Discord. 110,000. Okay. Well, there you go. Oh, the website, shiba-calculator.online. Here, I'll put this in chat. Oops. There you go. Bullish Shalom. Hopefully you're feeling better soon, my friend. Yeah, I guess you have to put in SHIB amount. You're right. You're right, lag. Okay, so if you had that's 6 million, right? 6 million SHIB. Let's go 60 million SHIB. Target price 0.001. Let's have some fun with it. There you go. You'd have $60,000. There we go. Okay, there you go. Total value. If you had 60 million SHIB, and you wanted to sell at 0.001, that would be an 11,000% increase. Market cap would have to be at 589 trillion. That's crazy. Now, who knows where the overall market cap will be, right, of crypto? But let's do something a little bit more realistic here, at least in rather short term. So here you go. 0.001, okay? Or even this is the level we're going to get to soon, right? If we crunch out another 0. But let's say we crunch out 2 zeros. 6 million SHIB turns into 6,000 USD. That's pretty nice. But a lot of people have a billion. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 2 more of these, huh? Right? 3, 6. Okay. So that's 1 billion. Okay. There you go. 1 billion SHIB getting to the price of 0.001. 0.0001. There you go. Market cap would have to be 58 billion, which that's doable. It's at 5 billion now. We've been close to a $20 billion market cap when it was way back in May, right? So this is actually like, you could see this happening, right? This is actually like something you could see happening. It would be a $1,000 increase. Or a 1,000% increase. So 0.001 is possible. Yeah, I agree. Oh, you're talking about crunching out another 0 there. I mean, now we're talking about a $589 billion market cap. Like, it's certainly possible, but I think it's going to be a while, okay? But I see why you're doing that, because then you're looking at $1 million USD. All right, Clay. Stop getting annoyed about people eating in the mic. You don't have to be here, bro. I'm done eating, okay? Sorry, Clay. People with their slurping and problems with people eating, I announced that I was going to do it. I'm sure he won't like that. Sorry. Had to switch it around a little bit. Whoever you use for Walmart or Amazon will double immediately. Yeah, Perry, I agree. I expect that to take several years, though. 5+. Yeah, agreed. Agreed. Calculate 300 million. 300 million SHIB. So 300, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's if it gets to 0.001, 0.001, you're gonna have $300,000. If we get to the point where we're at a 0.0001, which that would be 58 billion in market cap, right? It's about 53 billion away. You're looking at 30 grand. Yep, looking at 30 grand. Give us a burp for Clay's sake. Oh, Mir, that's funny. I think 1 cent is impossible in near 2 years. Yeah, it's going to take longer than that. I agree, Peter. If it even hits 1 cent. I mean, I think it's possible, but here's the thing. If you have enough SHIB in the bag, if you have enough of a SHIB bag, you don't really need it to hit 1 cent to make a lot of money. That was funny. I will hodl SHIB until 2026. Nice. Anthony, what's happening? Coins being able to be used for purchases will be pointless. You would just be resigning yourself to a tax nightmare. I agree. Each purchase would trigger capital gains implications. Exactly, especially after 2023 when all of that stuff goes through in the States probably. But I'm with you, man. I think people look at Bitcoin and Ethereum especially as stored value. They don't want to sell it. They don't want to use it for transactions. I'm with you, bro. I agree 100%. It may not be possible at all sans a huge burn. Yes, a huge burn would have to happen, or at least a burn, or a slow burn over time, right? Kind of like what Ethereum is doing. Robert, I finally managed to work out how to use PancakeSwap and MetaMask wallets and got 100 billion baby BNB. Interesting, man. Cool. Excuse me. It was tasty. It was really good, actually. It's very good. Wow, so I'm going to be a millionaire. I got over $1 billion. Random arts. There you go, man. There you go. All right, what's SHIB doing right now? 908, 909. Nice. This is the day chart. Let's pop back into, let's go 15 minute. Okay. Back into a little consolidation phase here on the 15-minute sticks. Okay, still getting some nice volume coming in. Really just loving what we're seeing here overall, though. I mean, this is great. SHIB is kind of moving solo without the rest of the market. I love that. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get myself a yogurt. Be right back. Okay. All right, so not sponsored by Oikos, but these are my personal favorite. Banana cream flavor Oikos 000. Make sure you go with the 000. You're going to get 15 grams of protein, 0 grams added sugar, no artificial sweeteners. Oh yeah, great stuff. Great source of protein. And the blended Greek yogurt from Oikos is actually a natural fat burner that will help you burn fat throughout the day. So there you go. I could do a commercial for Oikos. No, this stuff's really good, actually. It's amazing that there's no sugar in here, yet it tastes good, and there's no artificial. I don't know how that works, but I like it. I guess there's some sugar, just no artificial sugar. Although, oh yeah, total sugar is 5 grams. That's it. 5 grams of sugar in the whole serving. And there's no artificial, just natural. There you go. Okay, so I just got an email from Webull. Let's see what it says. Webull email. What if they're like, SHIB will be traded, whatever. Earnings, promo update. Nothing on SHIB in the email. It was basically the Webull Weekly. They send you a weekly email. So nothing there. Clay, got some pet peeves, man. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Let's see. Boca, coming to the rescue. Appreciate you, bro. Get that taste mix in the water. Oh, yeah. Maybe possible at all. Gonna get you a yogurt sponsor. Yogurt sponsor. Yeah, why not, man? Buy crypto and eat oiko. Play some light house music. I've never done that before. It's got to be like royalty free and all that, right? Let's see. It's got to be royalty free though, I believe. All right, so here, let me see what I got. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Ooh, William, that sounds bomb, actually. That actually sounds pretty bomb, my friend. Who was messaging me with some free... Somebody in my Discord was actually messaging me with some interesting stuff, actually, for music that I could play. Boca, what? The buy crypto, eat oiko? You like that? They're actually oikos, though. Eat oikos, buy cryptos. There you go. Where the hell is it? Where in the Sam Hill? Where in the Sam Hill? Where, oh, where art thou? There it is. Kevin MacLeod. This guy's got some interesting house music, I guess, huh? So let's see what's up with this. Special Spotlight. We'll play this in the background for a minute to kind of see what it sounds like after the ad stops. Selling off a little bit, down below 9 now, huh? There we go. Zach, please, Shiba Inu August prediction. Can y'all hear that in the background? Is it too loud? Sounds kind of crazy. It's electronic. August prediction for SHIB. I think we're going to get to the 12 level here this month. Turn it off. I'd rather hear you eat. That's hilarious. Oh, people are leaving, so they must not like the music. No, Steven, this is actually license free. Next song, please. Yeah, music off. I agree, Mark. That's too loud. All right, it's going off. I got to figure out that whole house music deal. Maybe that's the deal, like if I'm not actually at my desk and I just want to like leave the chart on. I could do that. Like when I go to work or something. I got to start. I'm starting work August, well, next week. Nice, William. Turn that SHIB off. That's hilarious. Turn that SHIB off. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, we're selling back off here a little bit. It's not as exciting as it was. So, just need 5 likes before you go, because we'll get to 400. But I'm going to head on out of here, put this up for the rewatch. And got to run some errands. And I'll have some more content out later tonight, though, for you. It's been fun. It's been cool hanging. Thanks for hanging out and eating lunch with me. Come on over to the Patreon, too. We've got the supporter level, insider level, all great things happening over there. That link's up in the top chat before you head out. Click that. It's down in the description. All that cool stuff, too. And we shall continue watching the charts very closely today because SHIB is really making up some nice ground. Still ranked a strong buy from the technicals, too, so that's great. Haven't looked at anything related to Ripple, Anthony, yet today. I'm actually going to take a look around the crypto news area right now before I head out, just to kind of get caught up on everything. Watching your live stream or listening to Bread. Nice. Breed or Bread? Yeah, Almir, it kind of was, wasn't it? I just looked up. Somebody sent me this guy because he has some electronic music that's license free. Okay. All right, y'all. Take care. And thank you so much for all the love, support. Very grateful for you. And I will be back soon.